Click on the link below to get price. The Royalty 20-inch round tempered glass tabletop is an elegant addition to any home or office setting. Designed to combine functionality with a modern aesthetic, this clear tabletop offers versatility and simplicity, making it an appealing choice for various decorative needs. Crafted from tempered glass, this tabletop provides enhanced durability compared to standard glass. Tempering involves heating the glass to high temperatures and then cooling it rapidly, which results in increased strength and resistance to thermal shock. This feature is beneficial for everyday use, as it can withstand the rigors of daily life while remaining visually appealing. One of the standout features of the Royalty tabletop is its 20-inch diameter. This size is particularly well suited for smaller spaces, such as cozy dining nooks, balconies, or as a side table for your living room. The round shape lends a softer touch to any arrangement, allowing for easy movement and conversation. The clear glass design ensures that it seamlessly integrates with existing furniture, complementing a wide range of styles from contemporary to traditional. In terms of maintenance, tempered glass is relatively easy to care for. A simple wipe with a soft cloth and a gentle glass cleaner can help maintain its clarity and shine. This allows users to enjoy the aesthetic appeal of glass without the worry of complex cleaning routines. Additionally, the smooth surface is resistant to scratches, which can be a common concern with other types of materials. Users might find this tabletop particularly useful for displaying decorative items, such as centerpieces, candles, or books, without overwhelming the visual space. Its transparency means that it will not obstruct views or detract from the items placed upon it, making it a supportive piece in any arrangement. Furthermore, its versatility allows for pairing with various bases or legs, enabling customization to fit personal style preferences. In conclusion, the Royalty 20-inch round tempered glass tabletop is a functional and stylish option for those looking to enhance their spaces. Its combination of durability, ease of maintenance, and aesthetic versatility makes it a practical choice for a variety of settings. Whether used in a dining area, living room, or office, this tabletop offers a simple yet refined solution to meet various decorative needs.